Hi, in this tutorial, you will learn how to enable centralized configuration for Enterprise 1 HTML servers. You will also learn to verify if the changes made to the server group configuration settings are applied to the HTML server instances. Access centralized configuration from the Configure section in the Server Manager console. TNS names ORA field is populated when you select Oracle Database. The TLS field is populated when you select either IBM UTB or AS400. Select the checkbox if you want a secure TLS connection to either of the databases. For this tutorial, we will choose Oracle Database. In Centralized Configuration page, complete the fields and click Save. Now, let us create a new server group. Enter a unique name in the server group name field. For this tutorial, we will enter cconfig_test. Open the newly created server group and access the configuration settings. Verify if the database type is Oracle Database. We will now create a new HTML server instance and add it to the newly created server group. Select a managed home in which we will create the HTML web server. On Create or Register a Managed instance type, select the Enterprise 1 HTML Server radio button. On Create or Register a Managed instance properties, complete the fields. Now, let us add the newly created HTML server instance to the server group we created earlier. Open the newly created server group. In the Configure Server Group page, navigate to Add Server Group Member section. Add the newly created HTML instance. Open the HTML instance and navigate to the Configuration section. Access Database to verify that Oracle Database is selected in the Database Type field. Let us now update the configuration settings of the newly created server group and verify if the changes are applied to HTML servers as well. Access server groups in the Server Manager console. Navigate to the Server Group Default Configuration section and access Database under Enterprise 1 HTML Server. Update the database type to MS SQL Server and apply the changes. Open the newly created HTML instance. The system displays a warning message along with the Synchronize Configuration button. Click the Synchronize Configuration button to sync the configuration setting changes and restart the instance. The database type is updated to MS SQL Server. For more information on centralized configuration for HTML servers, visit learnjd.com. Thanks for watching.